100 feet of the stop, I'm going to put my amber signal lights on. Within 100 feet, I'm going to put my right turn signal on, signifying I'm stopping here to the right. Look for traffic. Once it's clear, I'm going to be within 3 to 5 feet of the stop, of the curb. I'm going to secure my bus. Open the door. Check again to make sure everything's clear. Signal kids to go ahead. The kids that are going to cross the street, they know to stop past 10 feet of the bus where I can see them. They're going to hold there until I see it's safe for them to pass. I'm going to clear them to pass. Once they're safely on the other side, I'm going to shut my door. Check my mirrors, make sure all the kids are out of the safety zone. I'm going to signal left and I'm returning into traffic. Then I'm going to proceed.